Hello, this is Norma and welcome to my channel. So I'm in the Ivory Coast in the city Abidjan, and I came today to my nephew's wife's house. I came to their house, and the lady that cooks for them is gonna make some Ivorian food. The first thing she's gonna make is peanut soup, and she's gonna make it with some fufu. So let me show you all the things she's gonna use and how she's gonna cook that food. Okay, for the peanut soup, she's gonna use some dry fish, and there's some beef back there that she's gonna put in it. Here she has some tripe in here that she's gonna take and clean well. And she's also going to put some cow skin in there. She's going to clean that also. She's cleaning the cow skin, but sometimes they have a lot of sand on it. And the tripe, she's going to boil water, and she's going to clean it well. You know, the tripe is the inside of the stomach, so you got to make sure it's cleaned very well. What you see black, they put it on the grill and they roast it. She put some boiling water. I don't know how she's cleaning it with her hand like that. And she's taking all the garbage off of it that you shouldn't eat. I don't know what they call it. It's not garbage, but you know what I mean. When you clean the tripe. She put some more water on the stove. Et ça, il faut couper encore, hein, quand tu es... Voilà, c'est trop gros. Ça, là, au moins 3. OK? Ouais, c'est trop gros.
Ça va cuire, là. Ça sera petit dedans.
OK, 2 alors. Quand c'est trop gros, je n'aime pas ça. Voilà. Oui, bon, d'accord. Merci. I was telling her to cut the cow skin a little bit smaller. I don't like it too big. So now she cleaned the meat, she cut it up, and she's gonna put pepper, I guess. I see a hole in the pepper. Okay, she put everything in the pot, and she put some whole tomatoes and 1 whole onion. She hasn't put the pepper yet, and she's going to put it on the stove to start to boil. So this is the peanut butter that she's going to use to put in it. It has no sugar, no salt. This is the brand that she's using. Sometimes they go to the market and they just grind it, but this is what she has. She's going to make some ripe plantain with some cassava. It's called Foutou. So that's what she's going to cut and put it in a pot and boil it. And then she's going to beat it in a mortar. Okay, now she's cutting it up. And she's going to put the cassava on the bottom and the plantain on the top, because this cassava takes longer to cook, Since the planting is so ripe. See, she's putting it in the bottom, and then she's gonna put the planting on the top. She's taking the middle out so we don't have all those black seeds in there. When she cuts it all up, I'll be back. She says some of them she will leave it whole. Yeah. Oui, voilà. So I guess all the rest she will leave it whole. So she's putting water in it, and then she's gonna cover it, put it on the stove, and let it cook. So we can go on to the next process. Okay, the meat's back there boiling. She's gonna put more water in it. She's also making some fish back there, and we're gonna have it with some plantain and some chicken. Okay, the pot is boiling, and she's about to make put the grumpy mixture in there, the peanut mixture. Here for the fish, she's making some sauce and fried yam. So she's blending onions and tomato. And it's gonna go in the peanut soup. Everything smells so good. The light went, so she brought it outside instead of doing it in the kitchen so you can be able to see it, because I did not bring my ring light. Okay, she's taking the water from the plantain and the cassava, and she's gonna take it outside to beat it. See it? Sorry if the thing is dark, but I told you the light is gone. Okay. Okay, she brought the pot outside, and she's gonna get the water and the pestle to make it. It's getting dark. I hope she's all done before the night comes. It's about 6:15 p.m. here. So this is the mortar.
I can talk?
Oh, sure.
Okay. She's going to pound the Foutou. Yeah.
It is hot, the plantain. She's making sure there's no nuts in it. This is the natural one. Now that it's all mixed up, she's gonna take the plantain out. And now she's gonna put in the cassava. After she beat up the cassava and everything is very soft, like what she did with the plantain, then she's gonna mix it together. Yeah, she's turning it to mix it together. She's putting a little bit of water.
Ça se passe bien?
Oui.
Ah, c'est foutu banane.
Oui, le Foutou banane. Oui, sauce à la chine.
Sauce à la chine. Je me rappelle une année quand j'avais fait sauce.
Ah,
Moi, j'ai fait ça ici.
Oui.
J'avais fait une sauce claire. On a mangé un plat.
oui.
Donc, il vient, il s'est dit, fais sauce. Il dit, tu connais ça, oui, ça, c'est villageois. J'ai m'a fait ça une fois là. Quand j'étais petit. Ah, c'était trop bon. Mais
I have to mute this channel for a minute because we're discussing some family issues. When we're done talking, I will be back to explain the rest of the process. she's done it all. See how it's all round and nice. Now we're just waiting for the peanut soup to eat our dinner. So it's a pity it's in the night and the light still has not come back, but the peanut soup is all ready, and I'm gonna put it with the fufu and I'm gonna eat. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button so each time I upload you will be notified. Bye bye.